So the difference between the Igbo alphabet and the English alphabet is while the English alphabet has 26 alphabets, okay, Igbo has 36. 10 more. Okay? 10 extra. That's why you don't have this one that you're asking me about in English. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay? Well, stop putting yours. Well, let's go. So, do you want to try? Let's go. Read.
A, B, C, D.
Don't sing it. Just try to read it. A.
A.
B.
B. C. D. E.
F.
F. G.
B.
B.
B. G.
G.
Gwe.
Gwe. Gwe.
He.
He.
E.
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 Because it has a dot under.
J. K.
B.
B.
P.
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 Boy.
P.
Gwe.
P.
Boy.
Gwe.
Gwe.
Le.
Le.
Me.
Me.
Ni.
Ni.
Nge.
Ning.
Nge.
Ning. What's this
Yes.
for?
It's nge. Bless you, mama. Nge.
Ning.
Nwe.
Nwe.
Nye.
Ni.
O.
O.
This one is O. This one is O.
O. O.
P.
Pa.
P.
P.
Re.
Re.
C. She.
She.
T.
T.
U.
U.
O.
O.
V.
V.
We.
We.
Ye.
Ye.
Z.
Z.
So, Mama, we'll continue another day, okay? I'm going to make sure you learn it, okay? That way you can read Igbo with time, okay? I'm happy and proud of you.